Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nova, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, and if you're new, welcome to the Nova gang. As y'all can tell from the title of this video, I am doing another hair review and install, and if you watch all the way to the end of the video, I will be talking about my giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm not gonna be doing much of a chitter chat, honestly. I just want to style this wig. I'll do more of my talking at the end of this video, but I just wanted to pop my head in and whatnot, just show y'all this beautiful, 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 beautiful wig. So if you want to see how I installed this wig and styled it, make sure that you go ahead and stay for the video. So I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.
Ready.
Alright y'all, so this is what I have for the wig. It is super duper pretty, y'all. Like, I didn't do a lot of customizations because if you stay to the end of the video, I will be announcing a very special, you know, shindig. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of this video. But I'm gonna go ahead, like per usual, put all the details on the side of the screen. So what we have here is the Vivibabi Deep Wave Lace Front Human Hair Wig. It is 180% density. It is a 13x4 lace frontal, pre-plucked with baby hairs, and it's 16-inch. So this is the length. I mean, it's something cute. It's nothing like too much, don't get me wrong. You know, it's pretty good. I like the quality of this wig. I didn't really have much shedding, honestly, until I started plucking, but even still, see? So, good quality wig, Vivibabi. Y'all did y'all thing. All right, so this wig is $125. Well, $125.99, so $126 for this wig. Honestly, it's well worth the price, especially with, you know, it being a frontal. You know, this, you know, you could really just, you could do your thing with this wig. Honestly, this is the type of wig I would probably wear like flipped over to the side. Not much of a middle part when it comes to like curly hair for me, because it just never like looks right and stuff. So let's see if we have any more details on this wig. So this Brazilian version human hair, again, like I said, it was pre-plucked. I didn't have to do much plucking. I literally only have like a small little ball of what the hair, let me see, I'll show you how much I had to pluck. So not much at all. This is literally it for this whole entire frontal. So that's definitely really good for me, because honestly I try to look out for people that are beginners, and this is the type of wig that I would advise somebody to get, because it's kind of simple. You just gotta plug it just a little bit, not too much, and then boom, you good. So this is a natural color. It can be straightened and it can be restyled. If you want to bleach this wig, you can bleach this wig. So it is a medium brown Swiss lace. Honestly, this lace, I only had to put just a little bit of makeup, and then I did my ball cap under it. So honestly, it really did pretty good. As you can see, I would have to put like some makeup around like the perimeter of this wig. Here's a close-up so I'm not like cheating y'all for real. So this is like what it's giving. Honestly, I know another reason why it's like this too is because my makeup, so my skin is, you know, not as dark as it was when I first needed this foundation. So this is literally what it is. And I did not bleach these knots because, like I said, stay tuned for the special announcement at the end. But yeah, this is what I have. So I know if I would have bleached the knots, it would have been perfection. So I just put makeup and I did my ball cap. So that was pretty much it. So this wig comes in 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26 inch. So this is definitely a wig that I feel like you should get, okay? With the density of this wig, honestly, I feel like it's very full, especially for a curly wig. But I did put, you know, my styling mousse on it, so I know that it's strength. But I know once it, you know, dries completely, because it's still pretty damp, it's gonna look really full. So you can wear this wig middle part, side part, and half up, half down. I was gonna do a half up, half down style, but I was like, no. So let's see if I have any more details with this wig. Oh, this did come with an elastic band, so it is secure on my head, y'all. Like, this wig is not going nowhere, y'all. So that's all I have for this wig. It does have extra details as well. If you are someone that wants to purchase this wig, so make sure that you stay tuned for all of those details. And it's going to be in the description box down below. But let's cut to the chase. Me and you, coming close. Oh, now I'm getting hair in my eye. But yes, I am going to be doing a giveaway, y'all. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I will be giving away this wig right here that I have on my head. And look at this box. You can't tell me that this box is not freaking adorable. Like, this color, Vivi. Y'all better be glad I'm giving this away, because this box would just be in my closet just for the hell of it, because it's so pretty. When I seen it, I was like, oh my gosh, I love this color. But yes, you do have an opportunity to win this wig right here. That's the reason why I didn't bleach the knots. I just plucked it a little bit. This wig will be shampooed and conditioned before I ship this out. I just had to style this wig for the particular video. But there's only a few rules to win this wig right here. And let me pull it up on my handy dandy notebook. So let's see what I have. So, rules for the giveaway. You must subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will be posting a flyer on my Instagram, and you have to go put on your story, and from there just keep it up there for 24 hours and come back to this video and comment why you like this wig. Is it because of the style? Do you like curly hair? Do you like, what is it that you like? Basically, just give me the tea on why you like this wig. And if you are someone that really needs a wig right now, you can enter in multiple times. So you get one free entry, which is your comment and you following the steps prior to this one. But if you are someone that wants to enter in multiple times, you can send me $2 on Cash App to add your name to the wheel. Example, if you are someone that sends $6, you get 3 additional entries on the wheel. So mind you, I just want to let you know, I have let people know that I'm doing this giveaway. So you get in where you fit in. If you feel like you just want to put in your free entry and you feel like you're going to win off that one, by all means, go ahead. If you are someone that likes to compete, by all means, go ahead. So make sure that you follow those simple rules. It's so simple. If you are somebody that just wants to do rule 1 to 4, you can do that. If you are someone that wants to go ahead and enter in, extra entries, go on ahead and do that. Honestly, it doesn't hurt my feelings. Whatever you do, I just want somebody to win this wig, because I have tons of wigs already in my closet, and honestly, I'm not gonna cap. If I would have known this wig looked like this, I would have kept it. But I already have a deep wig already. But this, yes, like I said, 13 by 4. If you are someone that does win and you want me to bleach the knots for you, I will do that. Like I said, I try to do minimal. I didn't even cut baby hairs, y'all. So I really made sure I was being very considerate on whoever does win this wig. So yes, like I said again, if you want to enter into the giveaway, go ahead and follow all those instructions, and they will be in the description box down below as well with all my other social medias. So make sure that you get with it or get lost. But yeah, y'all, I knew something was on my lip. Just couldn't figure it out. But yeah, y'all, if you like this video, make sure that you comment down below. If you are someone that wants to see more videos like this, make sure you comment down below as well. Tell me some hair companies that you feel like I should work with. If there's already some hair companies that I have previously worked with and you want to see me work with them again, go ahead and put that in the comments down below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, because if you're entered in the giveaway, this should be something that's already done. Make sure that you follow me on all my social media outlets so you can be notified every time I have some new hair or when I'm about to do a new video. Make sure you turn your post notifications on as well to be notified when I post a YouTube video. I just want to make sure I'm really consistent with this, because this is Wednesday, November 3rd. I thought it was Thursday. And this video will be posted on Friday. I'm giving y'all a double upload on Friday, so make sure that you tune into that video as well. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you go to my playlist called the Affordable Wig Diary Series, and you can see more wigs that I have, that I do style and whatnot. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.